In this video, I will show you how to place an order on NFL Shop. Simply open NFL Shop app or open Chrome or any web browser. In the search bar, search for NFL Shop, then click on the URL. From here, you can browse different items in different categories. Once you have chosen your item, simply click on Shop Now, then choose the site and add to cart. If you scroll down below, here you can see have a promo code ? Simply click on plus icon. If you have any promo code, simply type in, then click on apply. After that, the code will be applied and you will get discount on all the eligible items. Here you can see your order summary and your cart total. Simply click on checkout. From here, fill in all these details, then click on continue checkout. After that, you can pay either via PayPal or via your credit card or debit card. Simply fill in all those information, enter your password, your shipping address, and then simply click on checkout. And that's it. If you think this video is helpful, please like, share, subscribe to our channel, and thank you for watching.